Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to find Telegram channels you left. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first option, use the search bar. In this section, just gotta type the channel name or relevant keywords in the search bar. Even if you left, the name often appears in the results. Okay, now you could also export data, but exporting data, all right, requires you to use the desktop version of Telegram. Now, if you want me to create that video, just go and let me know in the comments below. So when you go ahead and use that option, you'll be able to see or view a comprehensive list of past groups and channels. Now, another option to find out, okay, which Telegram channels you left, you could go ahead over to your phone settings. Now go ahead over to notifications and just go ahead and find notification history. Okay, go ahead over to advanced settings right here, notification history, and you'll be able to see a ton of notifications under Telegram. You can go ahead and pop that out, okay, and check the channel's name right here. Also, going back, when you go ahead and use the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for keyword or topic. For example, it's a food channel. Well, just type down food, okay, and you should be able to see it right here as well. And the last option, if you ever sent a link to this channel to someone else, okay, let's say you were a part of this channel and you sent this one to another friend, well, you can just go ahead and review it to your friend's chat, okay, and you'll be able to find it. And that's basically that. Those are the ways to find Telegram channels you left. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.